I don't know why. Oh, what? You say, oh. I think you too loyal. You say, I think you too loyal.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. I got Kitty Cat with me. It's been a while. We gotta make this quick. So me and Cat are hanging out right now. I feel like, is the camera moving? My mom had an appointment in the city, so she didn't want to take the train back to Long Island, so she took it to Ridgewood. So I got out of work, drove to Ridgewood, and now we're here. Copyright issues, Spanish music.
Probably can't hear it.
Alright, so we're in Ridgewood, and since we're gonna link up with my mom in a couple minutes, I'm at the 99-cent store. Well, I'm in the front, and I'm gonna get, what's that thing called? What are those things?
I guess like a poster paper, maybe.
Basically, I'm gonna prank my mom today. So I want to get like a big poster and get markers really quickly from the 99-cent store. I'm gonna take the paper and I'm gonna tape it to the back of the car, and I'm gonna write honk to annoy my mom. So she's gonna be driving. Hopefully I'm gonna make her drive, and we're gonna get her reaction. So I'm gonna be vlogging in the car, and also I want you to like be like, oh my god, again, like, you know.
Yeah, I'm a old is gonna be like, yo, did you hear that? Like,
yeah, hype her up, because my mom already gets tight easily. Like my mom really gets tight when she's driving, like me. Like we have,
like, are you dead?
yeah, like, are you dead ass? Alright, I feel like she's gonna be here soon. Alright, so I'm going to the 99-cent store and I'm always like Shakira. She was like so all of these are like that shiny material, well except this one, but I don't think blue is gonna work. This one's that shiny, yeah, that shiny material. I don't know.
Get that pink though. Make it black, like thick. Yummy.
Wait, what do you think?
I don't know. I'm honestly, we're gonna have to go with this one.
I don't know. I don't like orange.
Well, it shows a nice on camera. I guess pink, bro.
Pink?
Unless you want to get that shiny one.
I like this pink.
I love that pink too.
Me too. I freaking love this pink. Alright, anyway, so pink is not dragging it?
Nah.
I feel like
she'll see it.
It's easier with white. Like it's easier to read.
Maybe, but I mean, what are you gonna do though? I feel like pink is not that bad though, because you're gonna be making these thick letters. Like,
it's mad quiet here.
Yeah, it feels so gross. Look, oh look. Yeah, you gotta pick up your hands. Bro, are you kidding me right now? It was the only thickest bark we had. They had.
And my mama's pissed because she's already out here.
I think you're nervous and shaky.
Because she's freaking yelling at me to meet up with her already.
She about to be really mad when they start honking at her.
Yeah. Are you still recording?
Yeah, yeah. Oh my god. Gone with the wind. Yo, I'm weak. Alright, cool? Coolio.
Who's he laughing at?
The light is green.
Oh.
So as soon as she parked, she was like on her phone, so I ran out the car, took the sign back off and put it back in the trunk. I keep putting my, look at this pimple, I keep putting my bag back there. When she was in my uncle's house, I ran downstairs and I did it.
Yeah.
Wait, do it again?
No, it only happens once.
Alright. Say hi to the vlog.
What up, what up?
What's that? Oh, this is yours? Oh yes, this is definitely yours. I can see by all the scratches.
What?
I said this is definitely ours. I can tell by all the scratches.
But
Hey, he's a Cowboys fan.
The only problem with him is that he considers himself a rapper, but he like doesn't even like rap music like that.
Oh my god.
He capitalizes on it.
Why is he honking at you? And you honk back?
Yep. You need to vlog the beautiful city from here. Do I have something going on? Yo, what's going on? Everybody's in honking mood.
Yo, it's like a honk war. That was funny.
Do we have something like on the car that we don't know about?
No, let me see that.
This vlogging with no music is a killer.
I feel like I know him.
No, cool.
The guy behind us, that's why.
Take it easy, girl.
Sorry, sweetie.
excited.
Princess Monet over here. Jeez.
I think I know him. She sounds like a stepdad. He knows everybody. He went to school with everybody.
Yeah.
The only way. Damn. What the hell? I think we should have not gone this way and at the not.
Oh, let me check. Like,
This time is like.
if there's any of a quicker way. Look at all these cars.
Look at all these chickens.
Look at all those chickens.
People don't like your ass.
Word.
Our food came out to $11.50 each. That came with a steak, a salad, and she got a steak with rice and beans, and a tres leches cake, and a margarita.
Or choice of vegetables.
Me too.
Oh no! What is the deal?
Why you just look at us?
There's gotta
Why?
be something
I don't
on this
know.
car
Yeah,
that I don't know about. Does it say like
Him?
Luke gets mad when I go like this? Look.
Just honk.
I don't know why. What? There's gotta be something in the car. On the car. Maybe imagine it says slut. Like somebody wrote that shit.
No,
Slut
that's
thingy.
Whore. She's a whore.
Imagine something. No, that's only that violation.
But yeah.
I'm like,
Holy. Are these people like joking? The truck to the left.
are you kidding?
I'm not. I don't know why they told us to get over. It's kind of like trying to slow.
Oh, he's OD.
I'm going to the left, right, Kiara? I think so. Yo, does he know us or something? He's literally fucking really beeping the horn at us. Kiara, don't even look, because I'm like bugging out. Like, that's not like
I'm
normal.
like scared.
She said that's not normal.
Yeah, like beeping the horn every, like, oh, no, he fucking didn't.
Let's stick with the middle finger. Yo. Holy.
Seriously, like, I'm getting pissed off right now.
She's driving that far.
I'm like, I'm out, bitches. What the fuck is wrong with that dude? He's in the hole. I gotta lose him.
Yo.
Oh man, he just killed my flow, this freaking truck.
He got you scared?
No.
Oh.
I was scared. I'm not gonna lie. I was like,
I mean, if I was by myself, I would have been like, yo, what the fudge? He's still behind us. Yeah, but let me just... He's behind us again. Or whoever that is.
you lost. I feel like I'm Fast and Furious right now.
I feel like he's going through cars to come get us.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's
Chill.
Yo, I can really think about the titles in a speed car chase.
Right, that's mad funny.
I think because he went mad fast, he was probably like annoyed. He was like, "Yo, let me now be annoying and follow her." What an asshole.
Are you fucking kidding me?
She can't do that. Alright, they didn't have to honk at you because no, shout out to nothing. We don't get paid for shouting them out, so I'm gonna cut that.
I'm still gonna like that. Is this the same car? No. Yeah, like what?
Yo,
He's drinking. He is. He had a fucking 16 ounce of beer.
How do you know?
Because I can see from here.
What? Are you sure?
I'm positive. If not, it's one of those energy drinks. Look, and now he's smoking a blunt. No, it's a cigarette.
Where does he want you to go? Are you hearing this?
Yeah, I'm ignoring. It's called ignoring.
yo.
I seriously can't understand what's going on.
So that's all I know.
Yo, these 3 girls, they're literally like, it's gotta be something on my car.
Look at them, they're laughing.
There's something on my car. What could it possibly be? Imagine, kid?
No, there's nothing because I see, like, I'm kidding not, like, what could be on the back? Like,
Who do they think we are? Like, maybe they think we're stars or something?
maybe they know you're Princess Monet.
They're like,
For real.
Like, you think anybody could put the lights out for us?
word.
The house looks creepy.
Oh, that's why they were honking.
That's why they were honking.
You're a bitch, Kiara.
What?
That is too fucking funny.
What'd you call me?
Something on my
Wait, no, leave it. Wait, what'd you say?
good. I knew there had to be something on my car.
That was good?
Huh? To annoy my mom.
My camera's about to die.
Oh shit! Hilarious, Kiara.
Ma, come here.
You done?
What? Come here real quick.
I said I thought you had my birthday gift in there. Like, don't open the trunk.
I know I did say that.
And then look what I see. A fucking big a big sign. Oh, so let's like, I don't want to act like, all right, Kim Kardashian, I have food in my fridge.
Wait, what?
Kim Kardashian.
No, I was telling her, I'm like, she should have put her YouTube name on
I
there.
know, I
didn't
play
think of it, but I
myself.
thought
They
about
would
it
have
in the car.
followed me, like people who are driving.
Oh.
They would have been like, I want to see her reaction, whoever is driving. I
Kiara.
know I played myself. Alright, so prank's over. I feel like it was a success. Hi, Mama.
It was.
That was a good one. And I kept texting Kat, by the way. I kept texting her, like, do a hand signal so they could do it again.
I was playing my hand.
That's what I
I
did.
was going like this loud.
That's why I see you turning around.
So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Share this, please.
And tell them the mistake that you did. Say it.
What was the mistake?
You forgot to put down to follow you.
I forgot to put my YouTube channel on the thing, and they would have had followed me because I'm sure they wanted to know her reaction or
Yeah.
whatever. And I was
I think that's why people drove up to look at her.
I know, everyone was like driving past us and laughing. So before my camera dies, I just want to say I'm almost at 6,000 subscribers. Once I reach 6,000, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so it's lit. Hey! Ew.
Alright, we out.
You said add that? Bye!